Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today we will be discussing Anthropic's landmark $1.5 billion settlement with authors over AI training data, Uber and Momenta's partnership to test fully autonomous vehicles in Germany, and Google's newly published usage limits for its Gemini AI service. In a groundbreaking legal development, Anthropic has agreed to pay $1.5 billion to settle a class action lawsuit with authors over copyright infringement. The suit, filed in Northern California, alleged that Anthropic downloaded approximately 500,000 pirated books to train its AI models. This settlement represents the largest publicly reported copyright recovery in U.S. history and sends a significant message to AI companies about the consequences of using unlicensed content. The settlement, which awaits preliminary court approval as early as today, September 8th, will provide authors with approximately $3,000 per work affected. Additionally, Anthropic has agreed to destroy the dataset containing the pirated materials. What makes this case particularly notable is how it narrows the debate from whether AI training broadly constitutes fair use to a more specific focus on the unlawful acquisition and possession of pirated copies. Mary Rassenberger, CEO of the Authors Guild, called it an excellent result, sending a strong message to the AI industry. Justin Nelson, one of the plaintiff's attorneys, described it as first of its kind, far surpassing any other known copyright recovery. This settlement signals serious financial risk for AI companies that use shadow libraries or other questionable sources for training data, potentially reshaping how companies approach content acquisition for model development. Moving to transportation news, Uber and China's Momenta have announced a partnership to begin testing Level 4 autonomous vehicles in Munich, Germany, with plans for a Robotaxi launch in 2026. This marks a significant step for autonomous vehicle deployment in the European Union. The collaboration builds on a strategic agreement announced in May 2025, which aimed to deploy autonomous vehicles outside of both the US and China. Initial operations will include safety monitors in the vehicles, with fully driverless operations planned for the future. This partnership fits into Uber's broader strategy of collaborating with multiple autonomous vehicle technology providers, including Volkswagen and Waymo, rather than developing the technology entirely in-house. Momenta brings valuable expertise as a provider of advanced driver assistance systems to major automotive manufacturers. When the initial partnership was announced in May, Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi stated they were paving the way for reliable and affordable autonomous mobility. This Munich testing program represents the first concrete implementation of that vision in Europe. In product news, Google has clarified usage limits for its Gemini AI service across different subscription tiers. The company published detailed information on September 7th, outlining exactly what users can expect at each level. Free-tier users will be limited to just 5 prompts per day with Gemini 2.5 Pro. Those subscribing to AI Pro will get up to 100 daily prompts, while AI Ultra subscribers can use up to 500 prompts daily. Image generation capabilities are also tiered, with free users capped at 100 generations per day, while both Pro and Ultra subscribers can create up to 1,000 images daily. The Deep Research feature, which allows for more comprehensive AI analysis, has varying limits depending on subscription level. The update also confirms that Pro and Ultra subscribers have access to context windows of up to 1 million tokens, enabling much longer conversations and document analysis. Additionally, the help page notes which features are available as early access to premium subscribers. As Terence O'Brien of The Verge reported, you get up to 5 prompts a day with Gemini 2.5 Pro on a free account. This clear delineation helps users understand the value proposition of each tier and makes expectations around paywalls more transparent. Users have generally responded positively to the clarification, noting that it helps them better understand the differences between Pro and Ultra plans and decide which subscription level best meets their needs. These usage limits reflect the ongoing evolution of AI service business models as companies balance free access to attract users with premium tiers to generate revenue and manage computational costs. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.